Hello, beautiful Golden Anchor quilting community. We just got this beautiful fabric in and we know we need to do something incredible with it, but we don't know what yet. So we're gonna introduce you to the fabrics that we have and then reveal a contest that we're gonna have with some benefits for you. So this is called Midas. It's by Northcott. It has luscious jewel tones, wonderfulness with gold metallic sprinkled in. And we're just gonna go down the line and tell you the colors that we've got here. So we've got Vapor with some grays and blues and almost a little bit of purple with the metallic. We've got Smoke, which has, again, the gold metallic. They all have the gold metallic, so yummy. And then some deeper grays and some blues and a little bit of purple mixed in there too. We have the Charcoal, yummy, yummy. The deepest of the grays, almost black, just deliciousness going on there. Scarlet is here just in time for some quick Valentine's Day projects. Pumpkin, oh my yumminess. I can't get enough of these fabrics. We have the Olive here, which is one of the greens, and then Shamrock, which has a little bit of blue mixed in with the green. Absolutely delicious. Teal, which is one of our community's favorite colors. We notice a lot of teal flies off the shelves here. Pansy, oh, I mean, I don't know which one's my favorite because I kind of love them all, but that's Pansy. And then we have Cobalt, just fabulousness. Here we go. Jewels, which, okay, this might be my favorite. This is all of my colors. And the jewels we also got in a 108 wide back as well.
Smoke.
And Plum, yum, yum. And the Smoke. So we have the Smoke and the jewels in the wide backs. So let's get to the details of the contest. We want you to tell us what you would like us to kit up with all of this deliciousness. So go out there, find a pattern that you think would be amazing in this line of fabric, and tell us what the pattern is. Tell us what the project is. And if your project is selected for the one that we kit up, or maybe two, we might even kit up two because it's so amazing and so beautiful, then you will have the opportunity to get your kit of that project for 25% off. We're gonna post this here on our Facebook and here on our YouTube. I don't know which one you're watching, doesn't really matter, but you can put submissions in on either platform. We cannot wait to see what you come up with for inspiration on this beautiful fabric. Come see us at Golden Anchor Quilting, where community is the fabric of our dreams.